Got a nice looking van to look at today. It's a 3500, 158 wheelbase. Has been painted obviously, but it doesn't look like it's a fresh paint job. Looks really nice around the windshield. No rust to speak of. A little bit of overspray. This is a pretty nice looking van, and it found a new owner the day I recorded this video, so sorry folks, this van is sold. Trailer hitch, 7-wire plug, dual wheel 3500, towing mirrors, pretty clean inside. One broken vent down there, but looking real good. Aftermarket stereo. Things to remove the aftermarket stereo, I'm guessing. Seats are in fair shape. It's not rolled off over here like it usually is. Maybe the seat cushions have been swapped already. A little bit of extra wire stuff going on under here. He said there were some things removed. $144,000 miles. So we're looking real good under the hood. Nice and clean. Things are mostly dry. I don't see any leakage. Fuel pump's a little rusty, which means it's not leaking. They don't rust when they've got diesel fuel all over them. So. Got some aftermarket wiring over here. Nice base. I believe he said this is for the electric locks. They said there were electric locks added. Some other wires here from stuff that's been removed, cut free, so they're there to be used later. Inside looks pretty good for a Handyman version. Drawers are captured with locks over there so they don't slide out. Got a nice sink. Brand new television. Solar controller, LED lights and switches. Storage on the divider wall. Looks pretty good for me. Looking pretty good down here. We're a little bit wet on the oil pan. Looks like it might be coming up this side from the oil filter area. Got a little bit of drip over there on the turbo resonator bracket. Nothing dripping to the ground, just a little bit wet. Boy, say we start it up.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's got a different door fob rather than the normal. Not sure if that's good or bad. Said it hadn't been started in days. It definitely feels cold. Sounds real good. Headlights look real good. A+. Air leaking into the cabin there, common problem, a little bit of gasket to fix that. Resistor's been replaced recently, since the paint was done. There's a little bit of overspray on the wire connector, but not on the resistor. So that's a new part. Sounds good, smells good, and looks good back here. Could use a new hanger, but that's minor. looks like we've got a backup beeper. Yeah, 7-wire and a 4-wire trailer connection. Somebody reshaped the wheel wells. Looks like pretty nice work. Mark and Randy were able to work out a deal, so this van has a new owner. Congratulations and welcome to the T1N family.